Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change light fixtures in your closet and all the steps related to that. Let's go. The reason I need to change it is very simple. There is no cover for this bulb. Actual fixture works just well, but there is no cover and I cannot find cover for this type of fixtures. It's dangerous to keep it that way, so we have to change it. We'll just use this outdoor lantern, pretty much the same as is installed here. First step you want to do, obviously make sure that your breaker is shut down, so there is no current coming to your fixture. Take off the bulb and unscrew whatever the screws you have here. Now we have pretty simple setup here, so we're just gonna detach this old fixture and we're gonna attach the new one. Before you touch any electrical wires, test the current. Okay, now it's safe to proceed. Now, as you might see here, we have two neutral wires going to this fixture. That's so-called switch loop. So we absolutely must figure out which one is the hot wire. So I went back and I switched on the breaker, and now we're gonna test and figure out which one is the hot wire. Okay, so one of them is the hot wire, another is not. And if we switch the switch on, now this is still the hot wire, and now another neutral is the hot. Okay, so that's how it switches on the light fixture. So whoever was wiring it, of course, should have at least marked the hot wire to make it easier for the next generation, which they didn't. So I'll make sure to use electrical tape, at least to mark down this wire. I'm back, turned off the breakers. Let's test again. Take the electrical tape and mark your hot wire. Whoever works on this fixture next after me will tell me thank you. So now it's clearly the hot wire. Now we'll detach the old one, put the new one. These are hot. Okay. Next, prepare the wires on both sides. Okay. Take your new fixture and strip off all three wires. You have ground, you have neutral, you have hot. Be careful when you have wires like this. You do not want to strip half of the wires. It's actually outdoor lantern, which is fine. You know, it has a little bit of insulation. Keep it. Okay, just twist these wires a little bit. Next, there is a mounting bracket for this outdoor lantern that you will need to mount first. And you will not use the provided screws. So you find a couple of mounting screws. So now what you have to do, you have to connect the hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and the ground to the ground. Connect your ground and screw it to the box. Okay, so next, just connect hot. Use provided connectors. Now, once the connections are ready, you want to take your bulb, put it in, and test this setup. So go switch on the breaker and test it out. Before you test, you can check the wires. See, now this one is hot, This one isn't. Perfect. Now go switch off the breaker and continue mounting your fixture. Gently put all the wires in the box. Okay. And then once you're touched it, you just need to twist the base and then screw to the wall. Make sure it doesn't move. Next step, put the cover back on. Do not overscrew, otherwise you're gonna break. That's it. Now go switch on the breaker and test the setup. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!